Let's be honest here. Styling and body lines have never been the core aspect of development for an enduro motorcycle manufacturer. Keeping the body slim and tight is all the goal the designers have, and this Redshift MXR is one. Having no lights or number plate, this enduro will be strictly off the asphalt. Sourced from a company called Biz, the body panels on the Redshift meets world-class standards in durability, quality, fit and finish. And all white. Alta has done a decent job of giving it some color with the brand's yellow, orange, red graphics that keep it looking fresh all times. High fenders, slim shrouds, UNI body seats, the MXR checks all the boxes right. The dash is all but an LCD digital instrumentation showing battery discharge specs, speed, and selected riding mode via a switch on the left side of the handlebar.